Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Tifania and I will review writing descriptive text module created by Nela. First, regarding the content, the module provides clear explanation about descriptive text, including its definition, generic structure, and language features. However, the material is still quite basic and lacks deeper examples and detailed explanation. Second, in terms of language use, the language is simple and appropriate for 7th grade students. The instruction and explanation are easy to understand. Nevertheless, some parts could be expanded with more varied vocabulary examples. Third, the instructions are clear and straightforward. Students can easily follow the activities. However, the task could include more detailed guidance to support independent learning. Fourth, the learning activities follow a logical sequence from observing, discussing, practicing, to creating. This promotes active learning. On the other hand, the activities are somewhat limited and could include more collaborative or interactive tasks. And the last, the design and appearance attractive and organized. The Canva-based format makes the module visual appealing. However, more illustration and colorful visual elements could further increase student engagement. So overall, this module is useful for introducing descriptive writing skills. Its main strengths are simplicity, clarity, and accessibility, while its main weakness is limited depth of content and activities. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Silva Aulia. Here I will review the module created by Nela. Kelebihan dari modul ini, this module has several strengths that support the student learning process. First, the presentation of the material is engaging and interactive because it utilizes Canva-based media, image, exercise, and creative assessment. Second, the module content is organized systematically, ranging from the introduction, learning objective, content, example, activities, exercise, and evaluation the reference. Third, the material is appropriate for 7th grade students as it focuses on simple descriptive text about people, place, or object. Additionally, the inclusion of text example with translation helps students understand the content more easily. Kekurangan dari modul ini, although it has many strengths, this module also has several weaknesses. The material present is still relatively brief, so it does not provide in-depth explanation for students who need further understanding. The available text examples are still limited, so there is not yet much variety in writing style. The evaluation section is also still general in nature because it is yet accompanied by a more detailed assessment rubric. Additionally, the reference list is basic still and does not get truly specific source. Jadi kesimpulannya, overall, this module is effective because it is engaging, well-structured, and suitable for teaching descriptive text for 7th grade students. However, it still requires further development in terms of the depth of the material, the price of example, and the clarity of the assessment criteria.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Cica, and today I would like to present a brief review of the Writing Descriptive Text module. The Writing Descriptive Text module has several strengths. The first one is the learning objective are clearly present on focus understanding descriptive text, identifying text structure, using appropriate vocabulary, and producing descriptive writing. The module is also well organized and easy to follow. The content is several to grade 7 students because it's focused on familiar topics such as people, place, animal, and things. One of the main strengths of this module is the integration of Canva-based learning. Canva helps makes learning more interactive and encourages students' creativity and motivation. The explanations are simple and suitable for beginners learners, and students are given opportunities to practice descriptive writing through various activities. The model also includes an assessment rubric that supports systematic evaluation. However, there are some weaknesses. The learning material are relatively brief and provide only a limited example of descriptive text. The model also lacks vocabulary support, such as adjective bank or vocabulary building activities. In addition, students may need more scaffolding before moving to independent writing tasks. The variety of exercise is also limited, and no sample answer or model texts are provided. Furthermore, critical thinking activities are minimal, and the reference could be presented in a more complete academic format. Overall, the writing descriptive text module is a learner-friendly and well-structured resource with research material, stronger vocabulary support, additional example, and more varied activities. It could become a more comprehensive and effective tools for teaching descriptive writing. So, thank you for your attention and sorry for any mistake. Bye!